J, 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 J. Hello, my Foodie Phonics friends. How are you all today? Can you guess the letter we're learning about today? That's right, letter J. Letter J makes a J sound in words. Are you ready? J, 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 J. Letter J makes a J sound. Big letter J for names like James or Jasper or Jenny or Joanne. And little letter J for all the other words like jellyfish, jam, jelly. Shall we have a look on my table to see what I have that starts with a J sound? I'll just put big letter J back down there and we'll start right over here with my jar. J for jar. And inside my jar, I like to keep my jewelry. J for jewelry. Okay, let's see what else I have over here. I have a jug. J for jug. We're going to use our jug in a minute to do our cooking for today. But first, let's have a look what else I have on the table. I have some jam. J, jam. And when the jam jar is empty, I might decorate it into another decorative jar like that one. I have a big bottle of juice. J, juice. This one's nearly finished, isn't it? J for juice. Over at the back, I have this big book. Would you like to see what's on it? I'll just put my letter J down over there. I've opened it to the page where there is a big jet on the page. At the top where my little finger is pointing is a small jet. J for jet. But over the 2 pages is a big jet showing us what the inside of a jet looks like. All the seats that the passengers sit on, the engines that make the jet fly. J for jet. Right, I'll put the big book back and then I am going to tell you something funny. It's called a joke. Do you know what a joke is? A joke is a little story that you tell people to make them laugh and feel happy. My joke today is, why can't you give Elsa a balloon? Because she'll let it go. That's a funny joke, isn't it? J for joke. All right, I think you're ready to do our cooking. Today, we're going to make Jambalaya Jig. Do you know what a jig is? A jig is a little dance. And the reason this jambalaya is called Jambalaya Jig is because you get to put any vegetables in your rice that you like. So, we'll start with my rice cooker over here. Inside, I have a little 1/3 of a cup of rice. It's not cooked yet. Have a listen to the sound it makes when I pour it into my rice cooker. Ready? Wow, isn't that a beautiful sound? A bit like the rain. Then we have to have some water. This is where our jug comes in handy. Let's hear the sound of the water pouring into my rice cooker. There we go. It sounds like the rain pouring down a drain pipe, doesn't it? Okay, so now our rice and our water. Can you see in there? I don't want to spill the water. Oh, there we go. I'll tip it a little bit more. There, just at the bottom, you can see the rice and the water. It's ready for its lid. 1 lid, 2 lids, and then I have to click the handles closed. Have a listen. There we go. And it goes into my microwave. Right. While the rice is cooking, I'm going to show you a bowl of rice that I've already cooked. Yummy. I love my rice to be soft and fluffy, just like this. Now, for my Jambalaya Jig, I'm going to add some green peas. Green peas are my favorite vegetable. Over here, I'm going to pour them into my rice. There you go. And I'm going to stir them up. Green peas in my rice Jambalaya Jig. I also love chickpeas. Chickpeas and green peas going into my Jambalaya Jig. There they go. There they are. My chickpeas and my green peas are in my jambalaya jig. I'm going to stir it up. Now, I think it needs a little flavouring, doesn't it? The flavouring that I'm going to choose is called cumin seeds. Just a little sprinkle in my jambalaya jig. Remember, it's a jambalaya jig. You get to do your jambalaya jig any way you wish. I'm going to stir the cumin seeds into my jambalaya jig. And then I'm going to add a little bit of tomato paste. I just have to open the lid. There it is. Oh, I'm going to just tear the lid back. There we go, it's coming loose. Oh, nearly done. There we are. I'll just open that little bit. You can see the tomato paste for my jambalaya jig. Oh, there's a bit of rice on my teaspoon. There we are. My teaspoon's clean. There's my teaspoon of tomato paste. And it's going into my jambalaya jig. Yummy. Need to stir it all up so all the flavourings mix with the rice and the chickpeas and the green peas. And there you have your jambalaya jig. I can't wait to hear about all the ingredients you put into your jambalaya jig. But remember, when you're having a big meal to eat like this, you always need to sit down. I don't have a chair behind me, and if I sit on the floor, you won't see me. So I'm going to stand very still while I eat my jambalaya jig. Are you ready? So yummy. The cumin seeds make it taste soft and warm. And the tomato paste makes it taste spicy and fresh. And my green peas and my chickpeas in my rice make my perfect jambalaya jig. Let me know what you thought of your own jambalaya jig, and I'll see you tomorrow, Foodie Phonics. Bye for now.